There you go. Shoot. There we go. All right, go straight.
Wait, did I already get that one?
2 more targets left. 2 more targets left.
Okay. Now aim down.
One right here and one right there.
Yes!
What's up, you guys, and welcome to Battle Universe. Today we are doing the remote control target challenge. And we got this cool little robot over here. Look at that. It's part robot, part blaster. And it's pretty stinking awesome.
The goal of this game is to take the little Terra Scout through the obstacle course to shoot all these little targets.
Our enemies will be trying to shoot Nerf bullets into this net right here. Each bullet in the net at the end of the round adds 5 seconds onto our total time.
If the Terra Scout runs out of ammo, the attacking team can send in a loader. But if the loader gets hit, that adds 5 seconds to their time.
After both teams take a spin on the Terra Scout, whichever team has the best time will be crowned today's champions of the universe.
As always, you guys, thank you for being a part of the notification squad. If you're not a part of that squad, make sure you subscribe first and then you click that bell icon down below so you don't miss our videos because we coming back for the first 30 minutes after we upload.
Thank you for being.
All right, Team Tall versus Team
Cam.
Small. All right, go to your places. Move. Go. Where are we going?
We go that way.
I'm gonna give you guys penalty points if you don't hurry up. Can I go somewhere? Just move.
Honestly,
That's my
I
thing.
penalty points.
Connor!
All right, Team Cam starts off with negative points. Is that possible?
I'm here. Cool.
No!
Okay, I've been informed by the higher ups
take
that
it.
that is not possible. My
a go
powers
for me.
are limited. Don't let this jersey fool you. All right, Team Cam,
Yeah,
you ready, driver?
yes.
Do you know what you're doing with that thing?
Basically, kind of. We'll see.
That's confidence I like to see.
All right, time starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god.
That went so quick.
I think he's got some horsepower.
Why are you shooting from way over here? Wait for her to come closer.
Hey!
Ooh, that counts. That's something.
Hey!
I am allowing it.
Stop shooting it!
Are you
This
moving?
is so, yes, but it's so hard. It's like,
Are you trying to get the target?
it's a little delayed.
I'm
Dude!
allowing it.
You gotta go up.
Oh, wait, it's like, each time I go up, it's not going up. Oh, wait, okay, I got the controls wrong.
30 minutes later.
You're
Sorry.
embarrassing
Wait,
us.
no, I know.
There you go.
All right, shooting at the driver is no longer allowed.
Oh.
You've overstayed your welcome.
Here, wait.
Driver,
Disgusting.
okay,
oh
my
gosh.
Okay, no, I'm backed up.
It's the time.
Go left
Time
more.
event.
Go
Until she
left.
finishes all 7.
Go left more. Okay, shoot.
There it is. That counts.
Hey!
That counts. Move on to the next target.
Oh my god.
Oh, back it up.
Wait!
All right, Connor, I will allow you to enter the course to center her if she needs it.
She's good.
She's good.
These controls are so confusing.
Sam drives like this in real life, too.
Oh. All right.
It's just so delayed. Okay.
Oh.
Stop!
You gotta move, Sam.
Oh.
Oh, no, I turned
You trying
around.
to shoot me?
Start shooting.
Come on, Chris
You get
Kyle.
closer to it.
Hey, I
Right
should
there. Right
show.
there. There it is. That kid. You got it. You got it.
Okay,
Move
okay.
on. Next one.
Where's the other one? I just gotta get the aiming right.
Come on, you got it. You're just letting them set points on us.
We are at 2.5 minutes.
Oh my gosh!
The sun is now set.
You're doing great. Okay, aim
Ooh.
up. Aim up. Aim up.
I'm trying. It's super
No, you're
sensitive.
not trying.
I don't know the rules. Oh no!
Oh, okay, you
Back it
gotta
up. Back it
remove
up.
me.
Bring it to me. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it back.
Just get out there. No. Oh, I guess
You
we can
have
do
a
that. Whatever.
shield.
Bring it back.
Is he getting ammo?
Hi. He comes. Okay.
Oh, give me my gun, dog.
Come on.
I'm out of ammo here. Sweet.
Okay, there you go. You can go. Oh my gosh! Wow.
Because there's nowhere to hit him.
Oh, the Nerf tag kicked in, yo.
She is out of control. Oh! There you go.
Okay, go straight. Hey, chicken. Hey. Hi, chicken. Step out. Ooh. Okay, come back. I'm coming for you. There you go. More than
There you go. Shoot. There we go.
All right, go straight.
Wait, did I already get
two
that
more
one?
targets left. Two more targets
Okay.
left.
Okay. Now aim down.
One right here and one right there.
Okay, right there. Shoot.
Yes!
Okay,
Ooh,
come
now
back.
she's getting it.
You got, okay, turn, go right.
Oh, hit! Cross the finish line.
No, there's another one right here.
Wait, what?
I already
one
got
back
that.
here.
Didn't
Oh,
I
you
already
missed
get
that little one right there.
What?
You missed that little one. Oh no, she hit that one.
I already did that
She
one.
hit that one.
Oh,
Whoa!
Go.
The wall, wrong way! Stop!
I'm so
I got 3 in at the last second.
Okay.
Got it.
Shot so many.
All right, their time before penalties is 4 minutes and 40 seconds. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 18.
Wait, what? There's one more in there.
No,
Take that out. Get out.
cheaters. All right, so
Also,
for each ball they got in the target, that is a 5-second addition to their total time. So what's 5 times
18.
18? 90. All right, so it's a minute and a half to their time. Total time is 6 minutes and 10 seconds. That was absolutely horrible.
It's harder than it looks, okay?
All right, so the time to beat is 6 minutes and 10 seconds. J-Fred, are you ready?
Yes.
Go.
All right, Joey, you're gonna want to drive.
Oh,
What?
dang.
My God,
Right
so
off
go
the-
straight. Just
Wait,
dead
there's
straight.
some funny business. Did you align that?
Dead straight.
No, I did it before I'm not past the finish line.
Okay,
I
a
just
little
had
bit
it
right.
ready.
Perfect. Go straight. Nice. Give it that juice.
Wow.
I just want to shoot Tana.
Do it. If I hit it back at you, I get
You
a
gotta
point.
save your ammo
I know.
because it's gonna take you a long time to reload.
You're set. You're going straight.
All right, we gotta speed this up, J-Fred.
All right, Joey, go a little bit right. Oh, a little bit more left.
Oh, close.
A little bit left. A little bit.
Oh, do 30 more of those and
All
you
of
might
it right.
Oh,
All right, straight.
win. J-Fred, look at his concentration, please.
A little bit right. No, yeah. A little bit right. No.
This thing is
There you go, straight.
oh.
out of.
All right, come on. Where are you going?
All right, guns ahead.
You got it, Captain.
Ooh, oh, I see what he's doing. Nope. Oh,
Oh,
got it.
Yeah,
I need a new one.
I got you.
He's reloading.
He's very nonchalant about it.
He's
I got
reloading.
Do you want me to reload?
Hey,
one
he's
more?
reloading.
Oh,
Get him.
Where's number
Watch
one?
out.
I got
Oh,
his butt.
That's one hit.
I'm too tall for
Got his butt
You still
again.
got your booty.
You're out.
Watch the booty.
No,
Watch
she
it.
got
good.
some. She got some. Got him again.
What is
Leave
taking
Brittany
so long?
alone.
Hurry up!
It's hard.
Oh, again.
Got
Nice.
it.
He's in the worst
That was
place.
3.
Get out of here. That was it.
And now I'm out.
Hurry up. Well, you guys gotta hurry up.
Why is it not going in?
Grab him, grab him, grab him.
This guy's taking
what are they
There
doing?
we go. They're just like taking a nap.
In the middle of that
What's
area.
going on? We are at 2.5 minutes. Whoa, did you get that one?
Yeah, I did.
What?
I didn't
I hit it.
You gotta get this left one though. This top left one. So close. A little bit low.
You guys, Connor, what are you doing, man?
I'm not gonna shoot it from that far.
Ooh, that was close.
That's
But not-
wasting ammo.
Oh, you're so close.
Oh, he's bringing it up close.
Here's another one.
Ooh, Connor, get
Yes.
the hey, oh, cross the line, hurry up. Did you get them all?
No, gotta get one more.
One more.
You got it, Joe.
Nice.
You gotta move it a little
There
bit.
it
Just doing
is.
free target practice.
Got it.
All right, Joey, run.
Connor, yes.
Run to the front.
Just cross the line.
Bobby weave, Joey, Bobby weave.
Wait.
Oh my gosh.
Time.
That
Oh
last
my-
little spurt, I got so.
Oh yeah, I was out of ammo by the time.
Granny Connor went off on you right now.
Granny Connor.
With a time of 5 minutes and 20 seconds, your champions of the universe, Team What Tall.
We in it.
You guys go check out the Nerf Choose Your Class Challenge where we went into the Nerf Armory and picked out some dope guns. And go watch this video right here. It's a video that YouTube thinks you're really gonna go enjoy. Comment if you did. High five.